come unbox my SHEIN for my birthday. And y'all, don't mind my lashes, child. I've been trying to pull these little things off, but it is what it is. This haul, because baby, my birthday is next week, and yeah. I don't know, y'all. Hopefully this ain't too big. Especially me getting this breast reduction, like, y'all see, I might do a trial haul for y'all because I need to know now, and I'm gonna be real pissed if it don't fit me the way I want it to fit me. I get it. You seeing the girl is with them with certain outfits, and it be cute. Oh God. Well, we gonna make it do what it do, but yeah. 2 different dresses because I want to be sexy, like I said, for my birthday, and I couldn't choose, so hubby said get both, babe. This is one of them. Okay, this real thick. Okay, hopefully it snatches the waist how I wanted to snatch it, cause period. I hope I can fit these jeans, cause boy, SHEIN, I don't know what to be with SHEIN jeans. I think these from SHEIN. Oh, I'm about to fall. Yeah, these from SHEIN too. And like, they got a little stretch to them. Surprisingly, but not everything that I buy from SHEIN be having stretch. So, these look so big. Am I really that big? And there's no type of stretch in the thighs. That be my problem, my thighs part. This is so cute, y'all, and it's so pink and vibrant. I don't know. What y'all think? I already got one of them, but I just needed another one. Now this one like real hoochie mama, but like I said, it's my birthday, and I want to be sexy for my birthday, y'all. I'll probably do a trial haul, y'all, or whatever, but till then, bye.